Tell me about your latest experience or an interaction with the students so far.
So there's one of my student, Shreyansh. So he's currently in 12th standard, and he's also a shooting champion actually. So he had a lot of issues with timetable, dealing with shooting, then time 12th standard, then ACCA, and so basically, I we what we did to help him out was that we curated a proper timetable for him. Basically, with 12th standard, what happens is that he had his classes, so we had to have a separate classes where he was a part of our weekend lectures. So we created a few classes for him during weekday. We had teach faculty giving him 10 minutes extra after the lecture so that they can interact and understand, because this is a professional course and he's doing 12, so it's a very basic thing for him to move on. And secondly, we helped him with his shooting because we understood that he has other priorities also. So we helped him with his exams. I gave him a timetable where instead of studying it for 2 months, he can do it within 3 months. So yeah, that's how we helped him majorly.
Okay. Were there any results to this?
Yeah, so actually he recently cleared his BT exam. Now we are moving forward to FA exam, which is one step ahead. So yeah, let's hope that he'll clear that also.
Okay. Tell me, as someone who has been helping students for a long time, what does it feel like when you've helped someone to this extent and they clear an exam?
So of course, it's very, very nice to feel that I'm able to help someone, especially in cases where students are very young, because at that point, we're also in touch with their parents. So they are also very proud of their kids, and even we feel very proud amongst ourselves and of them that they're able to clear exam. So it's a very good feeling, honestly, at that point, and we feel like we are doing something great for the next generation, majorly.
So that was just one student who came with a lot of doubts and still managed to clear his ACCA paper. And guess what? Not just Shreyansh, there are hundreds of students out there who come to us and find their footing in the world of finance with the help of our assistants. Stay tuned for our next episode.